Stop scrolling because today's severe weather setup has the kind of energy that can turn from quiet to dangerous in one radar update. Today, Monday, April 13th, the biggest concern is across the upper Mississippi Valley into the Great Lakes, especially from southern Minnesota into central and southern Wisconsin. That is where the atmosphere may hold off just long enough to become even more unstable before storms finally break through late this afternoon into this evening. And when they do, the first storms could be discrete supercells. That matters because supercells are the storms most capable of producing very large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. In this setup, hail could reach 2 to 3 inches, and if storms stay rooted near the warm front, the tornado potential goes up fast. That is what makes today so dangerous. Not a giant wall of storms right away, not an obvious all-day outbreak look, but a setup where the atmosphere may be storing energy, waiting for just the right moment to release it. And if the storms stay isolated early, that is the window where tornadoes become most concerning. Later tonight, storms may begin clustering and pushing onto the cooler side of the boundary. That may limit how widespread the tornado threat becomes, but it does not end the danger. Even after storms evolve, large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes can still stay in play. Farther south, across parts of Texas and Oklahoma, the risk today is more isolated and more conditional, but not something to ignore. The air mass will be very unstable, and if a storm can develop late this afternoon or evening and hold together long enough, it could become a supercell with all hazards, including very large hail, damaging winds, and a tornado threat. The problem is storm coverage is uncertain. The danger is that uncertainty only makes it easier for people to let their guard down. Then comes tomorrow, Tuesday, April 14th, and tomorrow may widen the target. The severe threat stretches from the southern plains to the Great Lakes, but the area that stands out most is eastern Iowa into northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin, where another enhanced risk is already in place. Early storms there could again become supercells with large to very large hail, a few tornadoes, and damaging winds, all possible. If any storm can stay sustained in the warm sector, some of those tornadoes could be strong. As the evening goes on, storms may consolidate and begin bowing eastward into lower Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio, shifting more toward a damaging wind threat while still keeping hail and tornado potential in play. That means tomorrow is not just about one state or one city. It is a moving severe weather story, and farther south again from eastern Kansas into western Missouri, Oklahoma, and parts of Texas, isolated storms along the dry line may also become supercells capable of large to very large hail, locally strong wind gusts, and a couple of tornadoes. So here is the real message. Today is about a loaded atmosphere in the upper Midwest and Great Lakes, where the first storms this evening could produce big hail and tornadoes. Tomorrow shifts the higher-end concern into Iowa, northern Illinois, and southern Wisconsin, while also keeping another supercell threat alive farther south into the plains. So, what do you need to do? Charge your phone. Turn on emergency alerts. Know where your safe place is before storms fire. Do not wait until the warning pops up to make a plan. And if you are anywhere from Minnesota and Wisconsin today to Iowa, Illinois, Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, or Texas tomorrow, stay weather aware, because some of the most dangerous setups are the ones that look scattered on the map until one storm becomes the whole story. For the latest severe weather coverage and your exact local forecast breakdown, head to StormScapes.xyz.